Para raw kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, dapat may alam sa economics ang susunod na magiging presidente. Nagkabiruan pa tungkol sa ibang kulay na suot na medyas ngayon ng Pangulo. Kasunod yan ng pagkikita nila ni dating VP at Mayor Leni Robredo. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si Gerard de la Peña.
Sa pagsisimula ng diskusyon sa ASEAN Editors and Economic Opinion Leaders Forum sa Makati City, nagkabiroan pa si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at ang journalist moderator na si Rico Hizon dahil kulay green ang suot na medyas ng Pangulo.
As you can see, Mr. President, I love your socks.
Yeah.
It's green because we're both from LaSalle, but I'm wearing the flag colors
We're
today.
both schoolmates. But he was much older than I was.
Matatandaan nito lang weekend, nag-viral ang pink na medyas ng Pangulo nang bumisita siya sa Naga City at nakipagkita kay Mayor Leni Robredo. Pero nauna na nilang giniit na walang napag-usapan tungkol sa politika. Trabaho lang daw. Sa forum naman kanina, tinanong si PBBM kung sino ang nakita niyang magtutuloy ng mga proyektong kanyang nasimulan.
Somebody who understands economics. Because
Understands economics.
that's
Okay.
the first thing. That's the life of the person who understands how to create jobs, who understands how to keep the inflation rate down, who understands how to make food supply a given, something that you can assume. So, and someone who thinks about productivity. We need to have nation builders, people who want to make the Philippines better.
Bagamat wala siyang pinangalanan, inamin ng Pangulo na may kinakausap na siya.
You cannot limit yourself to government.
Yeah.
But of course, it's much harder to bring to a presidential level someone who has not been involved in politics ever. So you look at people in government and you see who's doing well, who is exceptional. And I'm glad to say, exceptional people in government.
Tinanong din ng Pangulo kung may i-endorso na ba siyang kandidato. Sagot niya,
Not soon. Timing is everything.
nagbabalita mula sa frontline, Gerard de la Peña, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosing po. Maging maalam at may pakialam sa mga napapanahong issue at headlines. Mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.